My life is miserable always. I do not like this weather. So like sometimes, yeah, when the weather's bad, I'm in the good bad mood, but that's alright, because I can't do anything about it.
Byron Bay has been soaked by record-breaking falls.
It was as if the sky exploded over Byron Bay.
So, it's been a really fun week. It started off with our only key snapping. So, we snapped the only key that we have to get into our van. Oh, that's so funny. Everyone at home is probably laughing. Pretty sure someone just got to rescue us. Oh yes, we have a place to stay! Luckily, we managed to get it open. But now, we were literally stranded for a few days. Look, to be honest with you, the first day wasn't actually too bad. We feasted like kings, we went skating, and all around the weather was pretty good. Yeah, the weather was good. I forgot what it's like to say that.
In the past 24 hours, the rain has broken records. Cape Byron copping some 275 millimetres, the heaviest daily drenching since records began in 2002.
So we had to stay with the van for the next 3 days until the new keys were sent to us. We had rain pounding down on us and our van started leaking. All of our clothes were drenched. Our solar panel stopped working. To be honest with you, we really haven't been able to do that much. And look, I barely took any footage over this whole time, but let me assure you, it was grim. Some would call it character building. So even after dealing with the heaviest rain I've ever seen in my whole entire life, you can't let that water down the positivity. Things will happen, and even though it seems like right now everything that could go wrong has gone wrong, we are still sitting here with smiles on our faces, ready for everything that Mother Nature wants to throw at us. But Mother Nature, if you're watching this, please give us some sun. Stop raining. Well, we did actually manage to build a shelf. A shelf. We managed to build a shelf. We did actually manage to build a We did actually manage to build a shelf.
Don't say things like shelf.
Okay.